How's it going, guys? So on my last video I got a great response, and a common question was a guide on how to mew. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today for you. So let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so mewing is literally just putting the tongue on the roof of the mouth and breathing through the nose. So once you're doing both of them, that's it, you're mewing. But it's not that simple. First we want to make sure that the tongue is in the correct position. To do that, you need to smile and swallow. That's literally it. It'll put it in the correct position. Just make sure the tip of your tongue is not touching the teeth. The tongue is one of the strongest muscles in the body. So applying the tongue to the roof of the mouth forces the maxilla to go upwards and outwards. It gives you that model aesthetic jawline which everyone is after. Okay guys, so when you've smiled and swallowed and the tongue is in the correct position, you're ready to go. So I'm going to do an example for you. So the tongue's on the roof of the mouth, my teeth and lips were shut, and then I was breathing through the nose. That is the correct mewing position, and that is going to maximise your jawline genetics. Okay, so if your chin is receding, tucked inwards like this, that's most likely caused by mouth breathing. Mouth breathing causes deformities. Mewing completely prevents mouth breathing. So this is exactly why you need to be mewing from a young age. The younger, the better. Yes, you can still get results after puberty. I've proven that in so many videos. So many of my followers over the age of 25 have sent me their transformations, and you can see a visible difference in their jaw. So here's a quick gif. This is literally exactly how mewing works. But let me give you a little heads up. If your chin is receding and you're over the age of 16, that damage may be irreversible and you may require surgery. Does that explain why a lot of these surgeons are making videos saying mewing is cap? Because they're making billions of pounds every single year from deformities caused by mouth breathing. Mewing prevents mouth breathing. Send that to the doctor. Okay guys, that's the video. Thanks so much for watching. If you've got any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments down below, and hope you have a great day. I'm off to work now. Peace.